Welcome to breaking exhibition news from the One Shot Corporation. Here we are on another exhibition stand, and we're in the middle of a large number of global trade shows across the globe. This first quarter, we've sold a lot of One Shot pod dispensers and Il Primo ice cream and frozen yogurt. What has been happening over here has been amazing. The exhibition stand that you see here is one of many popping up across Continental Europe, and we're steadily gaining exciting market share. In 2018, we underwent a great deal of expansion restructuring to meet the needs and demands of our clients across the globe. With a frozen dessert system that requires no sanitizing, why would you honestly need anything else? That's exactly what a lot of our customers are thinking. For more information, check out our website at www.oneshot.com, and we look forward to hearing from you.